Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. A long time ago, I did a video with a saying I heard, which was, what one man can do, another can do. And it was inspirational. It kind of reminded Tony and I, when we saw these other companies that were being successful, to remind us that, if those guys can do it, if we work hard and think smart here, we can do it too. Well, I came across something today that I thought you also might find inspirational. I know, well, as an older person, getting older, this really inspired me to keep things in perspective and not let that be necessarily a limitation. Let me share these 5 names with you real quick. I'm sure you'll have heard of these names. The company names, maybe not the person. James Sinegal founded Costco at 47 years old. Gordon Boker, Starbucks at 51 years old. Ray Kroc, McDonald's at 52 years old. And then the last 2, Charles Flint founded IBM Corporation at 61, and Colonel Harlan Sanders, KFC, at 62 years old. Something to keep in mind. Until next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.